Welcome to our channel. If you've lost your Navy Federal debit card or it's been stolen, ordering a replacement is quick and easy. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get a new card. Step 1. If your card was stolen or you suspect fraudulent activity, immediately call Navy Federal's 24/7 customer service at 1-888-842-6328 to report it and freeze your account. Step 2. Log into your Navy Federal online banking account on their website or through the mobile app using your credentials. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts section and select the checking or savings account associated with the lost debit card. Step 4. Look for the Services or Card Services option in the account menu. Step 5. Click on Request Replacement Card or Order New Card to begin the replacement process. Step 6. Confirm your current mailing address where you want the replacement card sent and update it if necessary. Step 7. Select the reason for replacement, such as lost, stolen, damaged, or you never received your original card. Step 8. Choose standard shipping, which is typically free and takes 7 to 10 business days, or expedited shipping for a fee if you need it sooner. Step 9. Review and confirm your replacement card order, noting any confirmation number provided for your records. Step 10. Once you receive your new card, activate it immediately through the Navy Federal website, mobile app, or by calling the activation number included with the card. Step 11. Update any recurring payments or automatic bill payments with your new card number to avoid service interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.